these are the arms and ammunition which have been recovered after a 3-day-long encounter in Kupwara. Anti-terror operations have ended and 6 terrorists have been killed. 6 heavily armed Lashkar terrorists were killed in the fierce 3-day-long gun battle with the army in this area of the LOC. 5 terrorists were killed on the day of the voting in Kupwara, and these are the arms and ammunition that have been recovered.
Well, this happened in the Naugam village, and 5 terrorists were gunned down on the second day of polling. Second phase of polling in the area, and the army engaged in a fierce gun battle. There is a huge cache of arms and ammunition that has also been recovered, along with the 6 terrorists who've been gunned down. Mir Farid joins us with more details. Yes, Farid.
Yes, Anand, this anti-militancy operation is over now. In fact, this encounter has started after the army intercepted around 6 heavily armed Lashkar militants who had tried to come to this side. In fact, had managed to slip in on the 30th of November. However, they were intercepted near Tutmar Gali area of line of control, and in an operation that lasted for almost 3 days, 6 of them were gunned down. Army also lost 1 junior commission officer, while 4 others were injured. Now, these are exclusive pictures of this particular encounter, in fact, from the Tutmar Gali area, where, of course, these pictures you can clearly see the kind of ammunition that has been recovered from these militants, and, of course, 6 of them who were using these white jackets to camouflage themselves in the snow, because there's the snow on those ridges, so just to camouflage themselves and to slip in, they were using this. So army is calling it as a big success, because their plan of these militants was to the hinterland and disrupt the election process. So in that way, if you look at it, of course, a big success, and with that also a huge arms also recovered.
Any identification on them that's been recovered, and do they believe that some of them have been able to make their escape, or were there only 6 of them, Farid?
Well, sources in the army tell us that they have, in fact, managed to eliminate all of them. They say that it was a group of 6 militants who were armed to their teeth with latest weaponry and, in fact, ration and ammunition. And that is why they managed to hold up the army for almost 3 days. Of course, they also were using this deep forest, very close line of control to their advantage, thick forest visibility, and have scattered themselves in the forest area. However, for 3 days, the army continued its efforts, and all of them have been killed. Now, they whatever belongings the army have got from them suggests that they are from the Lashkar-e-Toiba, and in fact, all of them Pakistani who had come to this side to enter the hinterland, boast the dwindling Lashkar ranks, and especially at a time when election around the corner and militants are desperate to show their presence.